Hi, I'm Tom Fournier. Amongst my many responsibilities, I'm the chair of ISSA Canada's Distribution Council. On behalf of Canadian distribution, we would love to highlight distribution's key role in delivering products and solutions for the cleaning and hygiene industry where they matter the most. And that is to the sites and location where the cleaning professionals in our industry create spaces for people to work, meet, play, and socialize. International Cleaning Week is a wonderful way to draw attention to the incredible industry that we all work so hard to support. Thank you.